Okay, what is the refractive index of materials of the prism with respect to the layers when the angle of deviation is 30 in the figure below? We have the figure which is equal to that. Here there is angle of 45 degree. Yes. So this is the angle of 45 degree. The angle of deviation is equal to 30 degree. So then it means that the deviation angle is equal to 30 degree. This angle is what? Because this is the coming of ray, it is called incident angle. Incident angle, which is equal I is equal 45. So because this is the also is outcome or the out of the ray or the side, the second side of the triangle where the ray its emerge is called emerging angle. Emerging angle of I2 is equal 45 degree also. So where is the difference between this and that? So how the relationship between the effective index and that also the effective index and also this. How can you find that the effective index? So when you have the minimum deviation, is equal what? The deviation is equal I2 minus I plus I1 or I1 plus I2 minus A. Good. Don't worry about those ring. It's the ring that gives us the time. So good. Then how to find this? So remember that this A is equal R1 plus R2. It is also a reflection of the first and the reflection of the second. So it means that the first is to that angle and the other is located in that side. So then how to find this reflection? So we use this A. How to find A? Because the incident angle is equal to the effective angle, then when A is I1 is equal I2, in that case is equal 45 degree. In that case we have a total internal reflection. Total internal, this is called the minimum deviation. It's not total internal reflection. Please, we said the total internal reflection when there is reflecting in the same side. It's reflecting in the same side. But we have the critical angle also when we have the angle of reflection is equal to 90 degree. For the prism, when the angle of incident is equal to the angle of reflection, in that case also we have another property which is called the minimum deviation. Is the minimum deviation because the angle of incident and the angle of emergent are equal. And angle of reflection or R1 and R2 must be equal because the index for the prism and the index of air on another medium also are the same. They are the same areas because this incident area is equal to the emission ray. So in that case also the other angles are the same. So in that case also for that we have D is minimum. So if this is minimum, so it is equal to what? 2I minus also 2R or S. So according to that, A is equal what? So index of reflection is equal what? The sine of the minimum deviation plus A over 2 by using this divided by reflection angle which is equal to sine of A over 2. In that case we use this because according to that when we take D M N 2I is equal to I minus A. When you move this A to that, you get 2I is equal D minimum plus A. Then I is equal D minimum plus A over 2. So remember that A is equal sine of S is equal sine of reflection because this is in that area. So then N to N1. The N1 is equal area because N1 is equal 1 because we have area. So then N2 is equal sine of I over sine of I. Because this and that are the same, also R is equal to this angle which is called A divided by 2. When you press in that case, we can find A. A is what? A is equal D, which is called D, this, D, then minus or minus D plus 2I. So then A is equal minus T plus 2I, which is equal 90 degree, which is equal, this is equal what? Is equal 60 degree. So then N is what? The effective index, we need the effective index. The N, when you press to that, then N is equal what? Then N is equal sine of D, which is equal 30 degree, plus A, which is equal 90 degree. This is the formula. Divided by 2 over sine of 60 degree over 2. So this is what? N is what? This is equal 45 because this is what? This is not this, A is equal 60 degree. So this is 60 degree, this is equal 30 plus 60 degree, because this is A is equal 90 divided by 2 is equal 45 degree. So here there is a sine divided by sine of 60 degree. So the sine of that is what? Square root of 2 over 2. The sine of 30 degree is equal 60 degree over 2 is equal 30 degree. The sine of 30 degree is equal 1 over 2. So in that case, N is equal to square root of 2 over 2 times 2 over 1, because the ratio of the ratio, we multiply the second fraction with its inverse. So simplify this and that, which is equal to square root of 2. N of the effective index of materials, index of materials is N, which is square root of 2. This is the effective index of that material. So good for flowing this content. Thank you.